ये स्टार्ट हो गया रिकॉर्ड.
Yeah, I know.
मैं जैसे जैसे चलते रह रहा हूँ ना वैसे वैसे पीछे भी आते रहो. थैंक यू मीरा ब्रो. Which road I am using
For?
Which road? Because I'm going to station.
Yeah.
So which road?
We go from here, Cabot Square Station.
Cabot Square, yeah?
Yeah.
It's good?
Yeah, man. Nice.
You cover for all place.
Yeah. Don't say anything.
This is bus stop.
Yeah.
Coming for me as well, yeah? Feeling good?
Yeah, man. Not bad.
Can you take me to this one?
I'm taking everything. Don't worry, man.
You know this building is exactly. Also, you know.
Yeah. We go wrong way, man.
Wrong way. So when
No. Come.
it's good weather, it's too much cold.
Too much cold?
Not but too much, but it's good.
Sunshine weather, man. Not too much cold. Everything I put is good, bad. Let's see.
This is London bus.
Yeah, man.
But I'm very missing you going to your country, Bangladesh.
You come to visit me, man.
No, I'm not coming to visit. I'm living here 3 years.
Walk slowly, man. Then don't see at my face. No need. You see straight. But
you know, listen.
yeah, come this way. Come this way. That way. Yeah, I already put. Yeah. Don't worry, man. I put all.
See the screen. See screen. And I'm still here.
Oh man, you walk slowly. Yeah man.
Can you see me?
Go like.
My face is up.
You know, in this country. Stupid.
The biggest city of London.
Yeah. This way. Come.
I mean, because
Nobody. Yeah.
you know this way.
Yeah, we go up.
This one. One second. I don't have credit, so can you because I have only, can you make me? Where's my Ulster card? I will put in the can you check the how to put your money in this machine?
Again.
How much you put? Only £1, yeah?
One second. Your one is 70 pence. I need 60 pence.
Yeah, exactly. It's done?
Yeah.
Thank you. Alright, man. This is GLR station. Quickly, man, quickly.
Yeah, 1 second.
Sorry?
You guys are allowed to video.
It's not allowed video.
Yeah.
Sorry for that. Alright.
You can take photographs, but you're not allowed to do video.
Alright, thank you. Thank you, boss.
We can go this way? Yeah, dealer.
Where you go?
Huh?
Which platform is the bank? Where you guys going?
Langdon Park.
London Park.
Yeah, you need to go in the middle one. So you go down the stairs and then come up in
You
here.
were here? Don't worry. I'm taking picture here. Put it. बनाओ मेरा खाना. Everything is allowed. Everything is. Where? It says downstairs.
Left. Blue rest.
It's too much difficult, man.
Wow.
It's too much.
It's easier, man. See that train? Yeah, train is okay, man. Run. We don't touch. We don't touch our worst time.
Where?
Oh, down.
My God, I mean, you're crazy.
Yeah, man, train is gone. Train is gone, man. 7 minutes wait.
7 minutes after.
Come.
How quickly?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Can you take it? Oh my God. No. So, how long?
14
this
minutes
took?
already gone.
Can you bring this video? Yeah. Can you check how many minutes?
14:31.
Too much, yeah?
Yeah, man. 1 second.
My train is gonna be coming. My train is gonna be coming now.
Yeah.
side.
Sorry.
You have to wait. Wait a second. You have to wait here. There is no seat outside. How long is taking for train for I'm gonna to your house? How long? Do you know?
It's like 10-15 minutes.
10-15 minutes.
Yeah.
And how many minutes remaining for?
More than 7-8 minutes.
7, 8.
Yeah, trains come, but it's go after 4-5 minutes. We can wait. The better we can go in the corner of this.
No, maybe I will sit here.
Well, last branch
Last
is
one,
good. Yeah, yeah. Then we can put picture in the back side because this back side is open. Okay.
This is Amy, is my best friend. Nobody's inside the train.
Put outside. That way.
That way. That way.
That way. Then better you can go there. Then you can put the all buses comes.
Bus is downstairs. Amy, how long? Oh my god. Check it.
What time is it?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Start to
2:30, man. Goodbye. Not bad. Not now. Okay. This train is training. Amy.
Yeah. Stay here. No. Stay here. And then all outside
Put
comes.
in, like, lot of buildings, HSBC.
Everything. You stand here. Better you stand here. I can put everything. No, come here. Stand here. Yeah.
Go quickly. Maybe I remove my glasses.
Yeah.
It's good. Remove my glasses, my face is gonna be good more than before. God, it's 93 minutes, man. Come on, friend. It's not done.
How long you can take? 22 minutes.
Only 3 minutes remaining, man. Come on. God.
2 minutes more.
Now it's going. How many minutes? Do you know? Can you?
This train is for Stratford. The next stop is West India Quay. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
What the?
Finish.
No, not finished. Another one.
How many
finished.
minutes, James?
1 minute more.
Oh my God.
Not bad, man. You
This
put
is
everything.
West
But
India
if you
Quay.
got the fast train, then from here to my home, we can video everything. Not 40 seconds, man. More than 40 seconds. How long the peninsula?
I don't know. Can you move?
Yeah.
The next stop is Poplar. Change the station towards Beckton and London City Airport. When leaving the train, please remember to take all
Take
your
my-
belongings with you.
Take. Yeah. Go back. It's finished.
No. Let's continue.
Let's continue.
Yeah, man. 22:50 seconds.
Okay, only good. I think. Can you move back side and
This is Poplar.
it's finished now? It's finished now.
No, finish. 24 minutes.
No, it's 23:50.
How long? 23:50. But it's more than it's 24.
Now 24.
Yeah, man. Maybe your space is now more space. So.
Can you go back side and